Hello there guys, here we are down at the allotment. A bit more of an in-depth video this time. Got some cracking leeks coming on here. They're doing really well. A few have got a bit damaged and some sort of squash here. A flower in there. Another shot of the leeks. And then under here we have Savoy cabbage. So there's my hand. So they've done really well, because what I shall do is I will have this one out today, and then that will leave a bit more room for him to and take him out as well at a later date. A couple more here. I don't think they're the same variety though. They seem a bit lighter, could just because they're smaller. Still got main crop potatoes to dig up. As you can see here, it don't take a lot to get them out of the ground. They're quite close to the surface. So I've been doing a lot of weeding today and some netting underneath here. Weeded under there. I've got to replace the hoops on these and put in some bigger ones like these yellow ones here. And in here got the beetroot, and in there that's, I believe it is actually broccoli, calabrese maybe. But then along here got some kohlrabi. They're doing all right. And down here, there's not many of them have actually grown now, but I did put some cauliflower in there. But these leeks here seem to be a bit stouter than the ones shown previously. Not that I'm complaining about that. Some more brassicas in there. And then we go up here and we got beetroot, which, yeah, some of them are ready to come out. Some more squashes. Over at the allotment shop, every now and again they'll have a tray of something which they'll sell for about 30p, 50p, but it's got no label on it. So obviously, you know, with squashes, most people that got an allotment will know it's a squash, but what type, who knows. The Romano tomatoes, yeah, they're doing quite well. Yeah, I've got a couple of bigger ones at the moment hanging about. There, look. I shall tie these up a bit more tomorrow. Over here we have some more brassicas again. I seem to have gone overboard with the brassicas this year, but if it grows, it grows, doesn't it? There's some brassicas under there, but I don't want to lift that. Oh, I can, it's not, I haven't put it down properly yet. Yeah, so if you can see, if this video is rubbish, I apologise, but the sun is reflecting off the screen, so all I'm getting is a reflection of myself, and that's not a pretty sight. And then if you remember going back a few videos, quite a few videos actually, I just randomly sowed some carrot seeds after 2 or 3 previous attempts with no germination, and lo and behold, they're growing. And over here in this area, which will eventually be tidied up and whatnot, but got some chilies, and they're giving me some there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Can't even see the screen myself, but they're a really purple chili. That's amazing colour, lovely colour. Oh, now there's a good one there, look. Look at that. Now, it sort of like reminds me of my old Ford Capri I had. No similar purple to that. That's going back a few years now, but there we go. So, yeah, that's a bit more of an update, I suppose. I'll just nip across here again. As the other tomatoes, they're doing reasonably well. These are Tigerella tomatoes, I think, if I remember rightly. And then got a beef steak there in the middle. The tomato, not the tomato, strawberry bed, I'm going to be potting some of these runners on. Not cutting the runners, just potting the plant and then let them establish and then cut them off. So on that note, I must now have a cup of tea and sit down before I go home. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.